Hi, my name is Peter Greggs and I'm the Digital Project Engineer at the Virtual Engineering Centre. Today we're at FACT Liverpool for our Creative Arts Digital Sandpit. As part of the LCR Holistic programme, we've been introducing new and emerging technologies to creative organisations across the Liverpool City region. And today we're showcasing the art of the possible. This gives local SMEs the opportunity to get hands-on and see how it can actually impact and benefit their organisation.
Hi, I'm Matt Butcher, Digital Project Manager at the Virtual Engineering Centre. Today, we're bringing together businesses across the creative arts supply chain, allowing them to collaborate and communicate. Organisations can see the benefits of working with digital tools and how they can integrate them into their businesses.
The Creative Arts Digital Sandpit, we're looking at 4 different areas. We're looking at creative innovation, so how digital technologies can change and influence the art that you create and how audiences engage with it. We're looking at audience enhancements, and that's around how digital technology can create a better experience for audiences who engage with the art. So that's around accessibility, but it's also around creating tools to create better interaction between the art and the audience member. We've been looking at operations management, and that's how you can use digital technology to improve how your business operates. Then we've been looking at business opportunities. So this is what new and emerging technologies there are that you as an organisation can embrace and monetize and benefit from to make sure that you're not left behind and that you're always thinking forward. Hopefully by showcasing how technology can be used within the creative arts sector, this will inspire and open doors for organisations across the Liverpool City region.